Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel, and today we are doing a makeup tutorial on drugstore makeup since you guys have requested it on our previous videos. So if you like these types of videos, please keep on watching. So welcome back to our channel again, and it's just going to be me today. And actually, hindi to yung original video ko na I'm supposed to edit because yung first ko na film is something sira sa audio niya na parang may white noise na noise. Anyway, so for today, we are going to do a makeup tutorial on drugstore makeup, and everything I used here is affordable, and I'm going to read it to you one by one. I have the receipt here. I really went shopping kasi syempre I really wanted to try these products as well. And first product is the Chris Aquino na from Everbilena. It's this one. In Life, this is 130 pesos only. So here, for me medyo drying siya. Hindi ko siya masyadong mare-recommend kasi it's really drying unless you have something like a lip primer before you put this on. So here is the Big Shot mascara from Maybelline, Magnum Big Shot. This is $3.99. I really like it. Dati ginagamit ko yung parang the purple one, the volumizing something na mascara. It's still waterproof. This one is also waterproof, and it's 399 pesos. I really like this. Tattoo Brow Ink Pen. Parang yung felt tip pen niya is parang naka-form siya na parang hair when you put it on. So, parang nasisira siya, tas parang hindi na siya gumagana parang halfway through doing your brows. It dries up really quickly, and it also smudges, which I hate so much. And sobrang ayaw ko yung mga makeup na nagsismudge. So, yan, parang I don't really recommend this one. It's this. Anyway, I'm gonna show it to you later when I'll start in tutorial. So, next is the highlighter. It's this one. Anyway, this was the Tattoo Brow is 299 and 25 cents. Sorry, I ran out of memory, so sana ako. I think it was the highlighter. It's this one. I really like it. Sobrang pigmented niya, and it really highlights well. Highlights well ko, no? So anyway, yan siya. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. It's really good, guys. I recommend this. Highly recommended. And this is $4.99. Next is the eyeliner. Not a fan of this. This is the Line Tattoo Crayon Pen. I'm not a fan of crayon type smudges. It's chalky. It's basta. I'm not good at using this, and I'm not a fan of it. Siguro it'll work for me sa parang mga waterline na makeup for the under eye. Not under eye, waterline. So, dyan. And that was $224 and 25 cents. The mini palette, this one, I love it. Honestly, guys, it's better than the Kylie eyeshadows. Kylie eyeshadows, medyo mas nagpa-flaky sila or nagpa-powdery sila compared to the Maybelline ones. This one, it's really good. It doesn't, parang wala siya masyadong mga fallouts when you apply it. When you dip your brush, it doesn't really parang nagpa-fall out that much. And I really like it. And that was 399 pesos. Fit Me, I think all of you are very familiar of the Fit Me na Maybelline. I have been seeing a lot of good reviews on these two. The Fit Me powder, tsaka yung foundation nila. This was $299 lang. Parang sobrang mura lang nila, diba? The last time I was using Maybelline was college days. Ooh, they have the same price lang pala. Fit Me, they're both 299 pesos lang. Wait, mali. 399 siya, and it's on sale, so it's 299 na lang. Revlon, I also got this, and I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if I'm going to do a tutorial on this, but I'm willing to try it. It's the Insta Filter na Revlon Photo Ready. 740. Mas mahal talaga si Revlon kaysa kay Maybelline. And I also got icebreakers na candy. So enough with the chit chat. Let's get it on with the tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. so that was it for my makeup tutorial today, and I hope you guys like it. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.